Ladies and gentlemen, this is eParent Classes.
Hi, I'm Parth Parekh.
Hi, I am Parvez Jesani.
Okay, here's a little bit of statistic. The number of internet users in India are increasing at a steady rate of 44%. But what's shocking is the computer literacy rate. The computer literacy rate in India is 6%. This is even lower compared to a developing country like Sri Lanka.
During our survey, we found that people below age group of 40 are self-motivated, are not interested in learning computers in a personalized manner. And people above age group of 70 do not have an urge to learn computers. So we targeted the age group between 40 to 70 who had a zeal to learn computers but were reluctant to go to a computer class.
This is how we came up with the idea of eParent. eParent is a customized computer literacy program where we send trained teachers to people's residences and they teach them basic computers and internet related utilities.
While designing the content of the course, we tried to figure out what exactly these guys need. Communication was the first thing that came to our mind. So we taught them applications like Skype, Viber, WhatsApp, through which they could be connected with their friends and families in India and abroad. Also, they were aware about Facebook, but they did not know exactly how to operate Facebook. So we taught them Facebook so that they can be socially empowered and be socially connected.
For this set of age group, television is still the primary source of entertainment. We wanted to change their mentality and therefore we introduced them to platforms like Facebook so they don't have to wait for their clocks to tick 9 for their favorite entertainment programs. We also wanted to make their lives easier and make them independent. So we taught them how to book tickets online, how to make their reservations. This would reduce their hassles and reduce their time and reduce their dependency on other people for doing their work. We also make sure that we cover other internet related utilities like how to send and receive emails, how to read news online. So all of this is targeted towards making their lives better and especially making them independent.
So you would be thinking, what is so different about us? It is not what we teach, but the way in we teach. Have you ever tried to teach Facebook to a 50-year-old? We train our teachers specially in order to accustom them to basic personality traits of these students like impatience, repetitive questions, lack of excitement and lack of response, etc.
So what we do is, we do this entire training in their comfort zone. So what we do is, instead of the student going out and attending computer class with other people, which people of this age group usually don't do, what we do is we send trained teachers to their residences who teach them in their own language. English is not necessarily a strict medium of instruction. So we train our teachers to go and teach them at their residences. And we also offer flexible timings, basically especially for housewives. All of this is at a very nominal cost. What we charge is 1,500 for a 2 weeks course. This is phenomenal lower compared to even a lower level computer class who would charge at least 2,000 to 3,000 for this particular course, where the student will have to go out of his comfort zone and sit with other people and learn.
So this is how we are creating a social impact. We are trying to educate one section of the society and we are providing part-time employment to housewives, students and the needy, thereby uplifting both the sections of the society together.
So we started back in May 2013 and we started in our locality. You'll be surprised that without any form of advertisement, we have completed about 80 batches just in a span of 6 months. This made us sure this is exactly what the society needs.
Also during phase 1, we got a couple of requirements from people who were interested in learning smartphones, tablets, etc. So in phase 2, we will be including all these products together. Also, we will be launching eParent across Mumbai. And we'll be advertising through print media, social media, and events. We target to complete at least 1,500 batches by 2014, and we will be able to provide employment to at least 75 to 100 students and housewives.
Well, by implementing eParent, we faced a lot of challenges. One of the key challenges was to actually convince this age group that they could learn basic computers in just a span of 2 weeks. How this problem got resolved is by the word of mouth publicity, where one person would share his experience with the other and thereby passing on this kind of experience and confidence. The other important challenges that we faced was one, lack of self-motivation and low grasping power. How we plan to resolve this is we train our teachers that way, that they repeat one thing again and again and they keep on revising the same thing. We cover each topic within our course at least 3 times. Also, we've designed our content in such a manner that we've put snapshots. Instead of the literature, they can see pictures which improves their retention.
In the long run, we want to implement eParent across India. Also, we are building up a website that will connect to our students and teach them everything online and keep them updated about the latest whereabouts. Also, we are keen on partnering with various NGOs, governmental organizations to make everyone computer literate. Our dream is to make Indians computer literate, irrespective of their age, because there is no age to learning. Thank you.
Thank you.
Over to the judges.
All the teachers that you find, do you have to train them into
Yes, absolutely.
specifically? How easy is it to find the students or the housewives?
Uh,
And other question is on security. I mean, if
We address that.
Yeah.
So in terms of the first question, what we do is we place our ads on OLX and Quicker, through which we get teachers online. Apart from that, what we intend to do is in the coming future, we will be going to colleges and employing students directly from there. Okay, about the security, what we've done is we've hired a person who does a background check of the student before the class actually begins. And he also tracks the teacher, like whenever she's going for a class, he'll be informed about when she's going, where she's going, and everything. He'll constantly keep in touch with her and track her.
So we do a background check of the student, and we also do a background check of the teacher, because both ways we have to be sure.
Not exactly, because we charge a very low price of 1500, and we pay approximately 750 rupees to our teachers plus the conveyance cost, and also the content that we provide. We hardly get a margin of 250 to 300 rupees per student.
Have you found whether people like to learn from somebody that they already know, or whether they would prefer to learn from a stranger?
Definitely from a stranger, because whenever like this idea, I got it from my mom, who was after me since 2 years, and she wanted a home-based tutorship, because whenever I tried to teach her, she usually just gave it up, and I lost my control, or either she lost her
But
control.
the key thing here is patience, because if we know that person, it's easy, to remove their frustration, because it happens when we try to develop our content, what happened is we had to teach them one single thing again and again. What we taught them on day 1, they tend to forget on day 2. So we had to revise that also. So we tend to lose our patience. So we specially train our teachers that way, not to lose their patience.
Thank you, judges.
Thanks
Big
a
round
lot.
of applause.
Thank you.
This is eParent Classes.